Hi students, today's my lecture is related with how to multiply, perform the multiplication in the column to show in the data view. So first of all, here you see that a product price. I want to reduce the product price by 90%. So first of all, I would go to the column add column like this, and after that I will go to standard tab like this, and tap on multiply like this. After a few seconds this window will appear, so you have to put 0.90 to multiply the product price to 90%, and percentage write in decimal like this, and press OK. After you press OK, you will get the value which is 90% against this product price. This is very simple method, but you know how to do this. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos for more videos. Thank you very much.